Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, ladies, today it is all about you. We got a couple of awesome watch faces for you all to download, and it's going to be free for the taking. Cool? With that being said, let's get started. The name of this watch face is called Butterfly. I do like the look. The design is really nice. And also in the AOD mode, you are going to get an analog look, and you're going to have a nice black background that's going to really bring out the rest of the watch face. Now, once the watch face is on, you got this animation with this butterfly on a flower. I like the way it's blinking. Now down at the bottom, it is going to help you to keep up with your steps, and you can customize the color theme of this watch face as well. Double tap and it changes it to a few different colors, and all I thought that wasn't a bad look. But the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, ladies, let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice, ladies. If you're having a bad day, hopefully this helps to pick you up. Now, the name of the watch face is called Pink Orchid Obscured. This one is beautiful. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice stacked digital time. It's going to give you one white orchid at the top, which is the cherry on top of the cake. It looks beautiful. Once the watch face is on, you get a pink orchid. It's really full in bloom. And also you're going to get a stacked digital time that's kind of blending in with the flower. Now, I like that they put a black background back there, which helps to bring out the color of the orchid. This is not a bad look at all. But at the end of the day, ladies, it's all about you. Now, also, they got a purple one, just like this one, designed just a little bit different. Maybe you'll like that one too. And it's also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, ladies, enjoy your day. Remember, it is all about you. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.